we know that there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. But this does not mean that there are 10 millimeters squared in 1 centimeter squared. Consider these two identical squares. If this one is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, then the area will be 1 centimeter squared. If this one is 10 millimeters, remember 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, by 10 millimeters, the area is 10 times 10, which is 100 millimeters squared. It follows that 1 centimeter squared is equal to 100 millimeters squared. Potentially, there are a lot of area conversions that you could need to remember. More than likely, you know the length conversions already. Rather than remember the area conversions, if you remember your length conversions and this method, you can always work out area conversions.